Create delicious homemade frozen desserts with the Teendow KF-2501U1 ice cream maker, a powerful and versatile countertop appliance designed to bring café-quality ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowls, and frozen drinks right into your home. Featuring 10 preset programs, an intelligent mixing system, respin technology, and an easy self-cleaning function, this machine makes it simple to prepare customized frozen treats for the entire family. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Teendow KF-2501U1 and explore its advanced features, user-friendly controls, and premium SmoothFlow technology that delivers rich, creamy textures with every batch. Whether you're making classic vanilla ice cream, refreshing fruit sorbets, protein smoothie bowls, frozen yogurt, milkshakes, or creative dessert combinations, this versatile machine allows you to experiment with endless flavors using your favorite ingredients. With its dedicated mix-in function, you can easily customize every dessert by adding chocolate chips, cookie pieces, brownies, fresh fruit, nuts, candy, or other delicious ingredients after the initial freezing cycle, creating personalized frozen treats exactly the way you like them. Key features: 10-in-1 multifunction ice cream maker, ice cream mode, gelato mode, sorbet mode, slushy mode, smoothie bowl mode, light ice cream mode, mix-in function, respin function for extra creamy texture, self-cleaning function, premium SmoothFlow technology, precision high-speed mixing system, easy-to-use control panel, compact countertop design, perfect for home kitchens, RVs, trucks, outdoor trips, and family gatherings. Dishwasher-safe pint container, includes recipe guide and accessories. Simple operation for beginners and experienced users. Stylish and modern design. The innovative respin function gives users complete control over texture by adding an additional mixing cycle after the initial process. This produces an even smoother, richer, and creamier consistency, perfect for premium ice cream and gelato lovers. Unlike traditional ice cream makers, the Teendow KF-2501U1 requires no ice or liquid nitrogen. Simply prepare your ingredients. Freeze the pint container in your freezer according to the recipe instructions, and let the machine transform your frozen base into a delicious dessert within minutes. The advanced SmoothFlow technology combines precision-engineered blades with intelligent spin control to efficiently process frozen ingredients, creating silky smooth textures while maintaining consistent performance across a wide variety of frozen desserts. Cleaning is quick and convenient thanks to the dishwasher-safe pint container, while the compact design makes storage easy without taking up valuable kitchen space. What's included? Teendow KF-2501U1 ice cream maker 20 ounces, 1 pint, container. Airtight storage lids, creamerizer paddle, swirl-in lid, user manual, full-color recipe guide, technical specifications, brand, Teendow, model, KF-2501U1, rated voltage, 220 to 240 volts AC. Frequency, 50/60ths of a hertz. Rated power, 800 W, plus or minus 15%. Motor speed, 25,000 RPM, plus or minus 15%. Whether you're preparing healthy frozen yogurt, protein smoothie bowls, refreshing fruit sorbets, creamy gelato, or indulgent homemade ice cream, the Teendow KF-2501U1 offers professional performance, endless customization, and delicious results for every occasion. Subscribe to the channel for more kitchen appliance reviews, cooking gadgets, home technology, and the latest innovations in food preparation and smart home living.